just had to shove. Ooh, we got some lights going on. See what the girls have been doing out here. This is in my back garden. My sister's house is 2 doors down. You hear that? Wow. Pretty awesome. Okay, this is the cave they're building. Right now it looks like a giant pile of snow. Our back garden. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad right now, but I mean, really, it's just flying all over the place. Just swirling the trees. Ooh. Holy cow! Takes your breath away. Woo! Wow. Okay. Time to try and get back in. Whew. That's your last update for a while, guys, because brr. Oh my.